Hello, IK here. Welcome to Basket Part 9. Uh, I prompt, I prompted artificial intelligence refactor basket component basket.js because basket is also list of articles. Uh, Articles is a name of article, price, and quantity here. And we have a list of that. And also we have remove button and plus minus button and clear basket, uh, generate invoice, etc. And all that in the basket, I want to refactor that I have more component, that I have separation by concern. Uh, and like in article list, I have a article and article list, article excerpt and article list. Also, I want it here. And my prompt was refactoring basket.js that we have two component, uh, article excerpt and basket, and the list, article list. And what in some second, ChatGPT created this, what you look at now in the screen, something excellent. Created two component uh, on the basket component. It means we have three component. And why we here have three components, have article excerpt, we have article list and basket component. Because it is not same, basket is not explicitly same as article list, what we have department list, etc., category list. But because basket, there is some functionality. Basket is some there is some functionality, some services for a list, and list, like always before, is parent to excerpt, to one article, and a basket is parent to list. List is parent to article, one article. And basket is a fundament for child list, and list is parent for grandchild. And look at how it is simple now. Of course, you can compare with Comet before this. Some before there was only one file, one component basket. It is big difference in separation of concern is excellent principle. And now we have a basket. Look at, here is a basket. What basket does? Look at basket present basket article list, and basket article list we will see on the beginning of this file was declared basket article list component. Here it is called in basket. Here it is basket articles list, child of basket, and here is in form of React element. React element. It is difficult than, it is different than HTML element. HTML element is small letter, small case, but React element is a big letter, capital letter. And basket article list, it is component basket article list. And look at how how it is here props. What props? All that props. It is a state coming from a basket. Basket, only basket. There is a state, and only basket. There is a function for regulate, for manipulate with that state. Basket, there is a basket articles state, basket article state, and basket, where it is declared, is connected by use selector, is this basket articles variable is connected with a Redux store with that state of articles, and here basket articles connected to basket articles here. Basket reducer is named state basket reducer dot articles. It is a state. Is connected by a use selector connected with the basket articles in basket, local variable, local state in basket. And here we named articles, not basket articles, for simplicity, equal basket articles. In curly brackets, it is object basket articles. It is complete array. It is array of all articles what is in in our basket, what we want to buy. And on increment props equal handle increment object. Handle increment, it is function, but it is a reference of function. Of course, on decrement equal handle decrement, reference of function, handle decrement. On remove equal, in curly brackets, object, reference, handle remove. On clear basket equal, object, handle, clear basket. And on generate invoice, handle, generate invoice. Right side is in curly brackets. Right side is the object. It is existing value object function what exists in basket. Owner of it is basket, and basket basket component, owner of this state of this function include that like props passed to basket article list. And it is all. There is nothing more about basket article list. Here it is with that props. Basket article list, there is no state. There is only props. It is a state from parents, from basket. But basket article list here don't use it, but only past. Only there is props, and that props. Okay, we can control. I think that this last two will be used in list, and this would be used in article. But let's see. It is passed props from basket passed to basket articles list. Now, let's go to see article excerpt. It is a child of basket articles list. It is grandchild of basket. Let's go see articles. Articles, it is on the beginning, but here finished on the beginning, but here it is all we are in basket. We are on basket. It is about invoice, about table on the basket, about map by method map. Okay, here it is. Here it is the declaration of that reference, of that object, and the equal arrow function is without name, and that reference is object. It is a name of arrow function, name of arrow function. And we use it like, and it is also, that name is a reference. And we use that reference, we see down, for give value to props. Handle generating voice, handle clear basket. Like you see, all this is pre-prepared event handler. Prepared event handler. It means on click is not event handler. On click is only event, and that event call reference and call functions what go to this on click calls handler function. And here is all handler: handle remove, handle decrement, it is plus minus, handle increment, generate invoice number, and here is a basket. It is main component. A basket with, of course, this is a state of articles. I named basket articles, and use selector connected our local variable basket articles. It is all articles what is in basket. They connected value and changes of value coming from Redux. State basket articles. Okay. And all down is manipulation with that state basket articles. It is basket. And in that basket, we saw a list, basket articles list. Now let's go up, and here it is end of list, basket articles list, and we will see declaration of list. Here it is. Yeah, here it is. Look at constant basket article list. Here is a, in JavaScript, it is defined basket articles list, functional component. Reference is basket articles list equal arrow function, and inside of arrow function we have curly brackets. It means that it is a real value. Here articles on increment, it is real value, what it is parameter. It is parameters of basket articles list, but that parameters is props. It is props. It is like the structured assignment, and here it is. All this in curly brackets is object, articles equal in curly brackets articles basket articles, on increment equal, you see down that we look at down, but now we have props like parameters, and these props you see down, basket articles. Sorry, it is very, very confused. Maybe this my scrolling, but never mind. Here it is. basket article list, you see, it is a basket article list. Here it is basket articles, it is a React element. And the React element, there is a props. And that props equal value, right side. Every props assign value, handle increment. And that value is handlers from basket, from parent basket. And now when we look at up, list, here it's a list, here is a function. Basket article list is not a syntax, it is different syntax. And here is parameter. Props here is parameter, like parameter go to body of articles, go to return. Your basket is empty or articles price, and here it is articles map article, because articles, it is basket articles. Articles map, we are in list, concentrate, list. You must look at in a lot of paper, stack paper and paper, and create diagram. We are now looking map, how map create a list from articles. Take article by article and put it in body in basket articles excerpt. And look at what is here in body, or is props. It is, look at right like this. There is no parameter. There is a props, and this is props. Key, article, on increment, on decrement, on remove. And every of that equal article ID, article in curly brackets. It is a real value from that props coming from parents. Who is parent? List. And not all props from a list go to article, but only this, what we see here. On decrement, we need plus, minus. On increment, on decrement, it is plus, minus. It is quantity. Quantity, and on remove is button remove complete row. And article is one by one, you see. One by one coming here, because it is only basket article, singular. And one by one coming here, article props equal article what coming from here, from arrow function parameters, from map method, from articles array. And article by article, that one article, there is a name of article, price, and quantity. It is separate. We have a total and calculation. Okay, it is props here in basket. It means that the basket article except there is no open state. It coming from parents like props. And only source of state and all other function about state, owner is basket. A list is only transfer to article, separate article. And let's get down. Here is a total articles reduce to fix. It is how created this calculation of total, and that number would be with the two decimal to fix. Reduce is method of array. Every array there is that method, and to fix is also method of articles reduced. To fix it is again a method of array, and you must control that articles first method, this method, reduce, and what is the result of reduce of it? We have a method because it is function of it is a method. It is method of articles reduce. What we have of reduce? Method is because you see that it is in parentheses, name, reduce, and here is all method of array is in parameter there is arrow function. Okay, strong button class. You can ask artificial intelligence to explain you this reduce. It would be excellent for that short explanation. Don't permit ChatGPT to get wide. Okay, button clear basket. You look at use in the list. In the list component, we have clear basket, and on click, what call on click? Call on click, call on clear basket. It is in list. In a list, again, you see now, also on click, call on generate invoice. It means two buttons happen in the list. Generate invoice and clear basket. And here is a basket. Here is a basket. And look at now, again, I want to see a basket. Oh, there is a lot of text about invoice and a basket article list. Basket articles list, it is how passing function from basket, how passed to child. And after that, how passed to grandchild. Again, we always have a parent-child. Here in this props, it is short of properties because basket articles list component is object. React look at in component like object, and object have properties, and we call short props. And that props, to that props, assign a reference, assign reference. And it means thanks to that passing from parents basket to child list, passing reference, it is possible from child call function of parent. It is a data flow go always down from parents to child. But you see now, child can use app can use by reference, can use a function of parents. It means that child activate function of parents, changes data, and this handle clear basket and handle remove, not handle remove, but these two last, hand clear basket and handle generating invoice would be used in list. It means that handle clear basket, clear complete list. And the handle generate invoice give us a voice, but in that invoice, we have a list. We have a list of articles, and that too is execution calling by the reference, calling parents function of parents, changes state of parents. Only parents have function to change state, own state, basket articles, but by reference go by props to child also can have properties, by props can change state of parent basket. And grandchild article also can change state of grandparents. Okay, it is in basket. This is only go ahead with these props. All we would be show it is we are in JSX. We are in return section in a mix of HTML and it would be visible on the screen. And we use that handle clear basket and use handle generator invoice from list. And all up is list. It is generate invoice and clear all. But now we interested in here is basket. In same file, now we see list. You see on click, call on generate invoice in curly brackets. Reference, call reference of a function what is in parents in basket. On click would be execute, would be started on generate invoice. Okay, and here we are. We are in list. We look at in list, and here you look at basket article excerpt. It is a React component, but script like this, syntax like this, we call React element. Capital letters is here, and React element there is a props. Key article on increment, on decrement, on remove. You look at it is ideal separation of concern. Basket articles, single articles, take care about quantity on increment, on decrement, or on remove, complete row, remove. But clear all, it is about list. It is separation of course, call invoice, it is about list. Invoice is list. And it is separation by concern. It is our knowledge. We know, customer know investor want, but developers cooperate with the investor, know what want, and you must want and control separation by control. Create map that every component, create components that every component there is a single task, responsive, single responsive, single respondent, single task. And basket article excerpt, there is a take care, that component, take care, design, functionality, behavior, take care of one article, one row in a table. It is one row in table, in basket, one row in basket. And this is what that basket article excerpt. It is absolutely knowledge. Developer know what want and separate by concerns. If you in maintenance in later time want something else in basket, in article, okay, here it is, sit down and add that functionality. Also functionality in list, and you know what to code where, in any moment. Here it is map in list. Article excerpt here is in list. It is child of list. Because of this, it is child of list, and the very clear, very maintainable, very understandable props, what props we need. Okay, let's get up. Here is a list. We are in the list, return. Here is beginning of component basket article list, and you look at it is declaration of name of instance of object basket equal arrow function, and inside of arrow function in curly brackets we have object props who destructured in articles on increment, on decrement, on remove, on clear basket, on generate invoice. And every of that we can use like we use it down, you see, we use it here. Article, this article on increment. Take value, take object, concrete value from list, Don't take care about syntax. It is component, it is function, and the arrow function. Here there is a parameter, and it is a parameter, and take care that here we have not equal and the right side with curly brackets value object. No, here we have only parameters, articles on increment. But in React element, we must give value. React element. This is JavaScript function component. But in return, we have JSX, JavaScript mix with HTML. And in that part, in JSX, we have element, and element, component element, have props equal value. Props equal value. Here is a parameter, argument, and down is value of that argument when we look at in JSX in return. Here it is. Here it is. Look at this kind of script. Take care. Here, always we have equal value. This is right side. Right side assigned to left side of equation. And always in element, but never in function. Never in function. Basket articles list, also down basket articles list, in return of basket, there is an element, React element. Here it is, basket list. It is syntax of element, React element, basket. You see, it is a syntax like HTML. And here it is props equal a value, equal reference of object. But function articles list component, there is here, it is only parameter. There is only parameters, okay. And now let's get see article excerpt. Article excerpt. Basket article excerpt. Here it is. Look at how basket articles excerpt receives props. It is by parameters. By parameters, article on increment, on decrement, on remove. It is parameters of arrow function. Here it is. In curly brackets, it is real parameter, real value. And in return, we use creation article name, price, created a number function, create price in to fix to 2 decimal places, and dollars. Okay. And now is quantity. On click, plus minus, this is minus, we call on decrement. And past, like here is a parameter, past article ID, and on decrement, here is on increment plus, and here is created a total, the button article price, quantity, total, and after total we have remove button call on remove, also article ID. Look at in plus minus is interesting. Okay, on decrement, on increment, on decrement, on increment, and we can see where it is calling handler, event handler. On click is not directly here. On click call handler. On click is event. Event can be, but it is not good practice that on click would be handler, also event handler. It is not agree with responsiveness, single task, separation by concern, by goal. On click event, call handler. And if we need something functionality put or something logic or something control put in handler, we put it in handler in any times, temporary, during production, console log. But here it is, if we use directly here, it is not, it is chaos of script. It is not maintainable. It is handle, separate. On-click event, separate. All separated in React Redux. Okay, we see it. You can download. Address of this is below video. You can see that without this scrolling, and obviously very important is that you have paper and pen, and that you can sketch diagram of data flow and function and control flow, control function. You see, data go down, but activation of function, activate function, go up from child, grandchild, up to parents and activate function, and that function changes state, create the dispatch action, would be created action. Action is on articles. We have action plus minus changes quantity. Action remove a complete row. And that action is on the article, but that article is grandchild of parents, and the function is in parents in basket. Only way to understand and to know programming, and here is this React Redux, is every day repeating, everyday practice. Hurry, it is nothing what not possible in learning. And how times we need, we don't know. Everyone needs what need. I learn and record video about React, I think more than 2 years. And it is very often, it is almost every day. I don't care about that. Every day, and the video can launch long 1 hour or 2 hours or 5 minutes, never mind. I also want to group video by concern, single separation by concern. And sometimes here I spoke about 3 components, because I think it is very hard to speak about separate video by every component. It would not, it would, because they are connected. They are connected. And this video in a learning process is something other means separation by concern, because that concern, that goal is separate than programming in React. So I, in this video, spoke about 3 components in one file. Why it is in one file? Because they used together. We don't need no one of these component in other combination with other component. They are together in this project, e-commerce, what I call e-retail, public and e-retail admin. But if I need more in some situation that some of that three component cooperate with other component, it would be separated. Take it in a separate component file, in separate file, in separate component is now. Okay, it's all for this video. We see you later. Thank you for watching this video.